steam the egg. Chop 1 green onion finely. Slice the carrot thinly and chop it into small pieces. In a bowl, mix 5 eggs, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Add about 1½ cups of hot water to the mixture to cook the eggs faster. Strain the mixture through a strainer for a smoother texture. Add a bit of chopped green onions or carrots if you want. If not, you can skip this step. Use a microwave-safe bowl, and if you have a microwave-safe lid, use it. If not, cover with a plastic wrap and poke a few holes with a fork to let the steam escape. Microwave for 6 to 7 minutes. After 6 to 7 minutes, soft and delicious steamed eggs are ready. Perfectly soft and pudding-like steamed eggs is done. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.